Developing and embedding your SAP Business One apps inside the SAP Business One client has never been easier. You can run your SAP Business One app independently in a browser or run it inside the Business One client with an embedded web browser. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to embed an app into the SAP Business One client and finally demonstrate the integration capabilities between the app we have developed and the SAP Business One master data. But firstly, I'm going to briefly summarize the SAP Business One App lifecycle, which essentially steps through 3 phases. The first step is to package your add-on. Once you have developed and tested your app in the SAP HANA Studio, you can then export your database and extended services content from the HANA Studio ready to deploy. The SAP Business One app we are showcasing today, based on HANA, is a web-based SAP UI5 application, which runs on top of the SAP HANA Extended Application Services Engine, also known as the SAP HANA XS Engine. During the deployment phase, you can create an extension registration package and import your package from the lightweight extension manager now available in SAP Business One. You then simply assign your app to the relevant company databases and configure any parameters and/or permissions. Then finally, you are able to consume your app either within Business One, on your mobile device, or in a web browser. Since this demonstration app has already been developed and packaged ready to go, we can jump straight into showing you how to deploy and consume this SAP Business One app within the SAP Business One client. We are now in the SAP Business One client environment cockpit. To deploy our package, we simply click on Modules, Administration, select Add-ons, and then open the Add-on Administration window. From here, we can click on the Manage Extensions for lightweight deployment. We have a new lightweight deployment option for managing your SAP Business One apps. By clicking this link, you'll be directed to the System Landscape directory. We now simply log in with our credentials for access to the SAP Business One Extension Manager. We're now going to import our SAP Business One app package. We simply select the Import button. And by selecting Import, you open up the Extension Import wizard, and now we can browse for our packaged zip file. Here is our SAP Apps HANA SBO package. By selecting this, we can simply upload it to the Extension Import wizard. Once upload is complete, we simply click Next, and now we have the option to specify any shared parameters within the app, which we don't for this particular exercise. So now we have successfully imported the extension package and are left to assign the app to the relevant company databases. To do this, we simply click on Finish Import and run the Company Assignment wizard. We can now assign a company, and in this example we're going to select the US company database. We can now assign any user preferences for the app startup mode. For example, for Manager, I'm able to assign the startup mode as automatic. So we've now officially completed the extension assignment and have completed deployment of our package. Let's now consume the app in SAP Business One. After refreshing our SAP Business One client, if we go to Modules, we can now see that our SAP Business One app has been added to the list of modules available. Now we can open the app embedded within the Fiori cockpit. This SAP Business One app demonstrates the following 5 business modules, and we'll start with business partners. The business partner table, for example, is embedded with intelligent filters, which allows you, for example, to filter business partner by country, by customer, and also by group. It's also interactive with Google Maps and also has a sidebar which allows you to display a dashboard for open deliveries and open orders. To do this, for example, is you can simply select on a particular business partner code and then select your dashboard open deliveries for this particular business partner. You also have the option to drill down directly into the business partner master data from within the SAP Business One app. Under the Sales Opportunities view, you're able to view, for example, a win-lost pipeline by sales employee. So by selecting the sales employee, you can see all of the sales employees listed in a tabular view. You also have the ability to look at the sales opportunities analysis in a graphical layout as well. We also have an inventory browser in which we've got the ability to select inventory by warehouse, and we can also directly drill down into the inventory master data from within the SAP Business One app. Under the Sales Order view, we actually have a Smart Explorer of sales orders, which you can filter by ID, by country, and also by customer. So if we select, for example, all sales orders, we can select specific sales orders, which can then also filter down to the actual items of that sales order. Underneath, there's sales order header details and also customer and salespeople details. Again, we also have the ability to drill down directly into the item master data from within the SAP Business One app. This is also integrated with Google Maps, which can also display the order's delivery route for this particular sales order. If we now move into the Dashboards view, we've got a number of graphical visualizations, such as a sales analysis by country. This sales analysis by country is with aggregation and drill down functionality. So you've got the ability to actually drill down into the details of that sales analysis by country and view all of the orders for customers and also all of the sales orders relevant for that particular country. We have a graphical view of the top 5 customers' balance. We also have the top customer groups and the corresponding net sales for each customer group. There is also a bubble chart of the sales analysis by country, which again is with aggregation and drill down functionality. We also have a view of the customer balance versus open deliveries, and we can clearly view the balance and gross profit of each of those deliveries. And we also have the total sales opportunities and the actual number of opportunities with those total sales, whether they've been won, open, or lost. You can also drill down, for example, and review those won opportunities by reviewing the number of opportunities won by salesperson and also the potential amount by salesperson. And then finally, you've got the total sales opportunities by total potential amount of lost, open, or won sales opportunities. And finally, if we go into our cockpit view, the cockpit actually represents the SAP Business One cockpit apps on HANA, built into the SAP Business One client version for SAP HANA. So check out the technical guide on how to use, import and embed this SAP Business One app inside the Business One client following the SAP Community Network link. This SAP Business One app showcase has been developed by the Business One Solution Architects team and is for demonstration purposes only.